Welcome to Draw Repair channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Today I'll show you two methods that you can use to turn on dark mode in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Now for the first method, just open up your settings app and then scroll down a bit, then go to display option, and here at the top you can see two options, light and dark. Now to enable dark mode you have to just select dark from here. And that's it. You can see dark mode has been enabled successfully. Now if you tap on dark mode settings, if you enable this option from here, then you can set schedule for dark mode. Here you can see two options, custom schedule and sunset to sunrise. I suggest you to set sunset to sunrise. Now for the second method, just go to home screen, then swipe from top to bottom, and at the bottom you can see dark mode option. You can also enable dark mode from here, and it's enabled successfully. And that is how you can enable dark mode in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe